Whoa! We got the Mars 2 Pro by Nebula by Anchor. This thing is a 720p projector with a battery power for up to 3 hours. 720p projector. You can project from 40 inches to 100 inch on the screen. It's bright and it has amazing sound. This thing connects to HDMI, Miracast, Bluetooth, AirPlay, USB. Boom, 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 boom. The Nebula projector. Whoa! Look at that projector right there. You got a little screen right here. Open it up, open it. Boom. Oh, look at that. It's on. It's off. Oh, look how fast that turns on. Turn off. Nice handle right here with some leather grip, some felt at the bottom right here. Here you got the power, the HDMI, the USB. Look at the speaker. Boom. Speaker. Boom. Controls at the top. That looks nice. And look how small this thing is. This is so lightweight. This is the AC power cable. The Nebula remote control. The quick start manual. The AC power adapter. This plugs into your Mars 2 Pro to charge it. It comes with your AAA batteries for the remote control. Nice. Boom. It also comes with the power cord right here. Simple 2-prong power cord. This will connect to your power adapter and it'll allow you to charge your Mars 2 Pro. This is the Mars 2 Pro. Very cute, tiny little projector right here. You open up and it powers on. Power on the Mars 2 Pro. So simple, so compact. This is the Mars 2 projector. We have the HDMI. We got the USB input back there. We got AirPlay, all the good stuff right here. Android 7.1 compatible. This is a nice projector with ton of power. This thing has 3-hour battery life. There we go, guys. A nice 720p portable projector with 3-hour battery life. Good audio, amazing performance. 40-inch to 100-inch projection, bright display. This thing is so easy, so compact, so lightweight. There we go. The Mars 2 Pro Nebula right here. Oh, yeah.